Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITBot143. You are watching Microsoft Office Excel 2007 tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use replace function in MS Excel. Replace function allows us to swap one or several characters in a text string with another character or a set of characters. Here I have prepared an Excel file with few examples. In first list we have employee codes ranging from 001 to 006. In this list, we can easily replace characters using find and replace. Press Ctrl F, come to replace, and find what? Please type EMP, and I want to replace this with XYZ. Click on replace all, and it is replaced all the same characters. But in second list, we need to run find and replace for each row. If there are small data, we can do it very easily. But in case of huge data, it takes a lot of time. In such cases, please select a cell and type equal to replace. Here we need to enter 4 arguments. For old text, select the text cell in which we want to replace characters. Add comma for start number. Select the position of first character within old text that we want to replace. Add comma for number of characters. Enter how many characters we want to replace. Here I want to replace 3 characters. Add comma, and for new text, enter the text with we want to replace within the double quotation. Close the bracket and press enter, and it replaced first 3 characters. To apply this to next cells, click and drag from bottom right corner, and notice that all the different characters are replaced with ABC. We can also apply this to any character in that cell. Type replace, select old text, comma. This time I want to replace only C, which is in third place. Number of characters 1, and enter new text. Close the bracket and press enter. Again click and drag. Replace function in Excel is designed to work with text strings. Of course, we can use it to replace numeric characters that are part of a text string. Here we have Excel 2007 tutorials. In this, I want to replace 2007 with 2016. For that, type replace. Select old text. For start number, count the position of 2007. While counting, we need to count space also. Add comma, 7th place, comma, 4 characters, comma, within the double inverted commas, please type 2016. Close the bracket and press enter. And in case of numbers, Excel replace formula always returns a text string, not number. Here we have 2016 number. Let's apply the replace. Select old text, add comma, start number 1, number of characters 4. I want to replace this with 2018. Close the bracket and press enter, and notice that left alignment of the written text value in H6, and compare it to the right aligned original number in G2 cell. Again, to use this text value in calculations, we need to convert it back to number. For this, multiply this by 1. And here we have another example. To use Excel replace function with dates, type replace, select old text. Here I want to replace May with November. Add comma, start number 4, add comma, number of characters 3, and I want to replace this with November. Close the bracket and press enter, and notice that it is giving wrong result. So to get the function to work with dates correctly, we can convert dates to text string first by using the text function. Alternatively, we can embed the text function directly in the old text argument of the replace function. In this, we need to enter text function. Now select the cell, add comma, enter date format. After this only, enter the start number 4, number of characters 3, and within the double quotation, please type November. Close the bracket and press enter, and now it is showing the date in text string format. And finally, we have another example showing with the different set of numbers. In this, I want to add hyphen in this specific position in a cell. Here I want to show the hyphen after 3. For that, select a cell and type equal to replace. Enter old text, add comma, enter start number. After 3 means it is 4. And here I don't want to enter any character. Simply enter 0, add comma, and I want to replace this with hyphen. Close the bracket and press enter. And we got the hyphen after 3. Click and drag. Similarly, to insert multiple hyphens, select a cell and type equal to replace. Here I want to add hyphens after 3 and after 6. For that we need to insert one more replace. Select bold text. For first hyphen, enter start number 4, comma 0, comma within the double inverted commas, please type hyphen, close the bracket, add comma, enter start number 4, second hyphen, 8, comma 0, comma, hyphen, close the bracket and press enter, and it is showing both hyphens in the respective positions. Again click and drag from bottom right corner, and we got hyphens for all the cells in the selected position. Like this, we can use replace function in Microsoft Office Excel 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.